Feliza, Tala, Branch, KCB M-Pesa. Be honest with yourself. How many of those apps are on your phone right now? And how often do you borrow before the month ends? I'm not here to judge you. I'm here to show you what those apps are actually doing to your financial future. Mobile lending apps charge interest rates that can translate to anywhere from 100% to 500% per year in effective annual rate. Fuliza charges per day, so if you borrow and you can't pay back immediately, that small loan snowballs fast. And the trap is brilliant because you only needed Kush 500. It felt harmless. But the habit of borrowing to meet daily needs is one of the most financially destructive patterns a young person can build. There are people earning Kenya $80,000 a month who are perpetually broke because they're paying off 6 different mobile loans simultaneously. Each loan they take to pay the previous one. It's a cycle. And the worst part, their credit score is being affected. Their stress levels are through the roof, and they can't invest a single shilling because every coin is already spoken for before they earn it. First step, list every debt you have. All of them. Write the amount and the interest rate. This alone is uncomfortable, but necessary. Second, stop new borrowing, even if it's painful. Third, pay smallest debts first to get psychological wins, then attack the bigger ones. And fourth, build a small emergency fund before you're fully out of debt. Just the breaches 5,000 to 10,000, enough to stop you reaching for the app next time. Debt borrowed for necessity is understandable. Debt borrowed for lifestyle is a trap. And mobile lending apps are designed to make borrowing feel normal and easy because that's how they make money. Protect your future. Break the cycle. Comment below. Which app do you use most and why? Let's have an honest conversation. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe, not forgetting to hit the notification bell for more videos.